Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Sabara Jagannath Temple is a prominent Hindu temple located in Koraput. It is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu, and serves as a significant religious site in the region. Koraput district, located in the southern part of Odisha, is known for its scenic landscapes, tribal heritage, and agricultural richness. Koraput is part of the Eastern Ghats mountain range, and its terrain is hilly and forested, making it one of the most picturesque districts in Odisha. Perched amid the slopes of the Eastern Ghats in Koraput, Odisha, the Sabara Srikhetra Temple stands as a unique monument of spiritual inclusivity. Unlike typical temples, Sabara Srikhetra, built in 1972, extends beyond religious confines to promote a philosophy of universal acceptance and brotherhood. This temple, embraced by the breathtaking landscapes of Koraput, is dedicated to Lord Jagannath and is deeply intertwined with the ethos of the local tribes, who have enriched this site with their age-old traditions. This deep connection highlights the region's philosophy of Jagannath consciousness, a blend of tolerance, compassion, and universal brotherhood. This temple serves as a bridge between Odisha's tribal heritage and the Jagannath cult, welcoming all devotees regardless of caste or creed. Following in the footsteps of tradition, Sabara Srikhetra is considered the second most important temple dedicated to Lord Jagannath, following the iconic Puri shrine. Sri Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, is the presiding deity of Sri Mandir or the main temple, which is surrounded by 9 sides with temples of different gods and goddesses. The temple complex includes smaller shrines dedicated to Lord Balbhadra, Goddess Subhadra, and other deities. Traditional Odishan temple architecture with intricate carvings and a towering shikhra, the spire. Dominating the landscape from a hillock, which is about 3,000 feet above the mean sea level, the temple complex is believed to resonate with the ancient practices of the Sabara tribe. The term Sabara refers to an ancient tribal community believed to have worshipped Lord Jagannath in his earliest form as Nila Madhav. It is believed that Biswabasu, who was the tribal chief, served Lord Jagannath and worshipped him in wooden form. Even today, Lord Jagannath is revered here as Darubram, the divine in wooden form, highlighting the seamless integration of tribal traditions with mainstream Hindu practices. Other than the main temple, it has few other attractions. Like it has all the incarnation of Lord Vishnu in the form of Lord Jagannath. It has all the rituals attire of Lord Jagannath. It has depiction of all the pilgrimage sites of Bharat and Odisha as well, in separate halls. So, it also gives you the divine combine experience of all the places in India and Odisha of spiritual significance. The Sabara Srikhetra has become a center of pilgrimage and tourism, boosting the local economy and bringing attention to the natural beauty and culture of Koraput. Located amidst the scenic hills of Koraput, the temple provides a serene atmosphere for spirituality and introspection. The annual Rath Yatra, Chariot Festival, is celebrated with great enthusiasm, drawing devotees from across the region. The event reflects the rich cultural heritage of Odisha and fosters unity among the people. The temple serves as a hub for promoting tribal culture, festivals, and traditions, making it a significant cultural center for the region. Please stay tuned for more such travel vlogs. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more such videos.